Hey there everybody! Ever dreamed of living and working in Europe? Well, guess what? That dream could be closer than you think. Right now, the Czech Republic is offering amazing opportunities for people just like you, with free visa sponsorship in a bunch of different fields. That's right, you heard me. Free! Imagine strolling through charming cobblestone streets, exploring centuries-old castles, and experiencing a whole new culture. And the best part? You could be getting paid to do it. This isn't just a fantasy, folks. This is your chance to make it a reality. So, why should you pack your bags and head to the Czech Republic? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, they're practically rolling out the red carpet for skilled workers like you. They need people in all sorts of industries, and they're willing to sponsor your visa to get you there. No more visa headaches, and the perks don't stop there. The Czech Republic offers good salaries, especially compared to the cost of living. You can live comfortably, enjoy delicious food, hello dumplings, and even have some extra cash to explore all that Europe has to offer. Plus, it's super easy to travel around to other European countries from the Czech Republic. Talk about a win-win. Now let's talk jobs. Whether you're a skilled professional or looking for something to get your foot in the door, the Czech Republic has something for you. We're talking factory jobs, warehouse positions, carpentry, forklift operation, you name it. And if you've got skills in healthcare, IT or engineering, honey, they're practically begging you to come. And the best part? You can earn a good living. We're talking salaries that can give you a comfortable life in the Czech Republic. So what are you waiting for? It's time to dust off that resume and get ready for an adventure. Section 4, your step-by-step guide to landing the job. Okay, so you're probably wondering, Ellen, how do I actually make this happen? Don't worry, I got you covered. First things first, polish up that resume. Make sure it's clear, concise, and highlights all your amazing skills and experience. Then start looking for jobs online. There are tons of websites dedicated to connecting job seekers with employers in the Czech Republic. Once you find some jobs that tickle your fancy, apply. Be prepared for interviews, either in person or online. And if you're lucky enough to get an offer, make sure everything is legit before you pack your bags. Section 5. Stay safe, beware of scams. Now, I know you're excited, because I am, but hold your horses for a second. Unfortunately, there are some shady characters out there who try to take advantage of people looking for work abroad. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always double-check the legitimacy of any job offer or agency. Look for reviews, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions. And whatever you do, don't send money to anyone up front. Real employers will never ask for payment to process your application. Stay safe, be smart, and go live your European dream. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more international job videos.